Welcome to Divine Beautiful Petals. Today we'll discuss about different forms and shapes of crystals. Tumbles are the most common crystals and they are for all purpose and energy flows from all directions. They are versatile. You can carry them anywhere. You can meditate with them. They radiate energy smoothly from all sides. They help in removing harmful energies. You can keep them at home or office. You can use them for balancing the seven chakras of your body. You can keep tumbles under your pillow or in your purse or bag. As I told you, they are for all purpose and energy is from all directions. These are raw crystals, also known as rough crystals. It is not polished. It is the most simple form of crystals. Raw crystals' meanings can be explained as the most native or natural form of a crystal. They can be used for meditation, healing. You can keep them in your house or office. Spear or ball radiate energy smoothly from all sides. They help in removing harmful energies. You can roll it to relieve stress. You can use it for meditation. Crystal pyramids are said to be powerful for manifesting your desires. They project the energy from epics. It can be placed at home and also small ones can be placed on chakras. Pyramids are of two types. One is the normal crystal pyramid and the other one is organ pyramid. In a normal crystal pyramid, you will find solid crystals carved into a pyramid. In an organ pyramid, you will find crystal inside which is enclosed in transparent cover. This transparent cover is made up of resin. Organ is a combination of organic and inorganic matter which is enclosed in resin. There are metallic chips or crystal chips enclosed in resin. Organ are self-cleansing, therefore you don't have to charge them. Let me tell you about crystal points or crystal towers. A crystal point keeps you sharp on point. Use a crystal pointer whenever you want to focus on something. You can use it for manifestation purpose. You can write down your affirmation or mantra or your desire on a piece of paper. Fold the paper and place the crystal point on top pointing up. It helps in directing all the energy from the intention on the paper upward into the cosmos and radiating out into the surrounding environment. It amplifies our energy. Heart-shaped crystals radiate a strong love energy. You can meditate with a heart-shaped crystal to activate your heart chakra. Focus your energy and attention on your heart and imagine filling your heart with pure loving light. Imagine the light fills your heart and weaves in and out, clearing any old wounds and traumas and bringing healing and peace into the heart and body. You can keep it in your bedroom for healing relationship. It represents love and is good for relationship. Cluster is the most beautiful form. A cluster is great for bringing unity to a space. You can keep a cluster crystal in your house or in your office. Wands are used for crystal healings. They direct energy to the chakras. You can use crystal wand to activate your crystal grid too. Crystal eggs helps to shield our auras. They are great choice for acupressure. Crystal skulls helps us to connect with our ancestors or spiritual souls. Crystal pendulums are used for dowsing. It is used to answer questions. Angel crystals help to connect with angelic energy. They are used for angel healing. They also are used for angelic guidance. You can keep it at your altar or at home. Crystals can be carved into different shapes. Our entire world is made according to geometric values. We get crystals in cubes or geometric shapes too. Crystals are found in the form of jewelries. They are beautiful. You can wear them anywhere, anytime. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you.